Hello friends, my name is Mahdi. Welcome to this video, and in this session I want to talk about the important and useful tag called transition tag. Using this tag, you can specify the time of change and reactions of your site. As I said, this tag is very important and useful. To better understanding, I write the div tag, and then I write the style tag and change the background color of the div tag. Okay, I write this tag for you: div opening and closing the slash, and then I write the style tag in head tag, opening and closing with a slash. Okay, and I want to change the background color of the div tag. Div opening and closing. Okay, and I write the background dash color, and for example yellow. Okay, for example I use the hover feature. I've already made a video about this feature and you can watch it. I write the hover feature. Okay, div two dots, and I write the hover, and I write the background dash color, for example red, and I write the width tag, for example 500 px, and the height equal to the 500 px. Okay, I save it. I open my web browser. I refresh this page. This is my div tag. Well, now you see that the speed of changing the background color of the div tag is very high. I can use the transition tag to set the direction of the background color change. Okay, I write this tag here: transition opening and closing. Okay, and I can in value in second, for example 2s. I save it. I open my web browser, refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that's work, and now you see that has calmed down. Okay, you can also use this tag for your photos. For example, I put a photo on my web page. I made a video about the img tag. Okay, I write this tag img src, okay, and slash. Okay, and I write img opening and closing. I write with tag, for example 200 px, and img two dots hover. I write a word, for example margin dash top. I made a video about margin tags and you can watch it. For example, 10 px. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that's work. Okay, and for example, with px, and I use the transition tag. For example, 2s, and I delete it. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. Okay friends, this session is over. Thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribe button and goodbye.